make sure we hit Command J. Let's go back here. Object mode. Command J. There it is. So Command J allows you to join. So if I off click and I click on it, it becomes 1. So let's make sure it's centered. So to do that, we want to make sure we position it by pressing the G. I'm going to see what it looks like on the 3. Bring that in closer. Center it on the center, and 7 looks good. So now I'm just going to just rotate it. Now because it's all grouped, we can go into shading. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see what we have. And now it gives us the option, so I'm going to click on new. Here it is. Okay, this allows us to add the color. So I already have a wood texture that I want to add, so I'm going to drop that in here. Let's do it again. Perfect, there it is. That's the easy way to do it. Or you can also do add and do a search, and then you can pull up that way. So let's go ahead and drag and connect it to the base color. And automatically it gives you the view of a nice wood texture. And you could also go in here and alter the roughness and smoothness of it. See? Of it, you can give it it's a lot you can do. You just gotta experiment with it. Okay, there you got it. Nice wooden container. And remember, this is just the beginning, so there's more you can do to this. All right, so I'm going to stop right here.